What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme, down at the G-Pit. As you can hear, they're still working some overtime here. They're filling up a huge truck here with a wheel loader. Today I got the Team Corrali XP6S, the Kagama we say, finally. Been an extremely long time since I even drove this car, and same with another car. That's gonna happen in the next video. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it a little bit easy here. Yeah, I definitely did. Yep. Well, that was that guys. I have no idea what happened. If I snapped something or something just, I don't know. See if I can get so much speed so I can take my car up so I don't need to. Oh, definitely. Yeah, I lost the pin. I'm running shrink tubes on them because they're moving out from this spring sealed thing on the CVDs. So and that's it's gone now, so I'm gonna redo that. But besides that, the car working flawless. So that was a little bit sad. Yeah, customers upgrades, extended hex, this one, and of course the titanium shock stands, Kevlar lipo straps, stock electronics. Thanks for watching.